Hello, this is exciting to tell you that you can earn a lot of money as indie game developer. First of all, I'll show you my experience as a proof, and then I'll show you how you can do the same as well. I developed a game called Deadly Domain, and then I published it on Epic Games Store. You can find it down there and you can download and enjoy it. Then, unexpectedly, I earned this much money in last few months from my game, which is exciting. In early 2023, I planned to develop my own game, and it seemed a little difficult because you need a lot of things to develop your game. You need 3D characters, 3D models, environments, sound effects, visual effects, particle effects, animations, UI, and a lot of things, which is not that simple. And specifically developing a shooter game and that should be multiplayer, well, that seems impossible. But I gotta tell you, I made it possible, and you can do the same as well, because you can use Unreal Engine for free with C++, a powerful programming language, and you can use Epic Games to download a lot of free and paid assets for your game to make it look very professional. And then you can use Epic Games online services to store player data on there and then upload your game to Epic Games Store. Well, I did the same, and at the last I just did a little bit of advertisement, shared with my friends, family and my followers, and did a little bit of advertising. Then the result was unexpected. It earned me a lot of money, and it's still going on. I'm planning to update some more features into my game. So now I'm gonna tell you how you can follow these steps and develop your own game and publish it in any game store like Epic Games, Steam, or any other game store and earn a lot of money. So let's dive into video. To start, let's talk about the growing opportunities for indie game developers. Over the past few years, the market for independently developed games has expanded a lot. Platforms like the Epic Games Store, Steam, and even mobile app stores have made it possible for individual developers to release games to a global audience. You don't need to have a large team or a massive budget to create something successful. In fact, some of the most popular indie games have been developed by small teams or even solo developers. However, the key is knowing how to leverage the right tools and resources, which are more accessible now than ever before. So first, I'll discuss a little more about my own experience. I developed and published Deadly Domain, a shooter game, on Epic Games Store in June 2024. Since then, I have earned around $47,000 US from this project. What's important to highlight here is that I developed the game mostly on my own, as a solo indie developer. While it certainly wasn't an easy task, what made the process easy was the variety of tools and resources available on Epic's platform. I didn't have to build every aspect of the game from the ground up. And that's what I want to emphasize. You don't need to do everything by yourself. Epic Games provides several essential resources that can significantly streamline your development process. Let's now discuss some of the key tools Epic Games offer that make game development easier for indie developers. The first thing is Lyra Starter Game. This is one of the most valuable assets available for anyone developing a shooter game. Lyra is essentially a fully functioning shooter template that can be customized to fit your game's vision. Instead of building a shooter game from scratch, you can use this template and modify it with your own assets, game mechanics, unique features, and tools you want to add. The second thing is Epic Online Services. If your game requires multiplayer features, EOS or Epic Online Services can be a game changer. It offers services such as matchmaking, leaderboards, and online multiplayer integration. Without you having to develop those systems from scratch, this can add significant value to your game and improve the player experience. 3. Free and paid contents and the Epic Games Marketplace. Epic's Marketplace, and now the new FUB, is a treasure trove of game development assets. From 3D models, animations, textures, and sound effects to fully developed blueprints, you can find both free and paid contents that you can use in your game. For a solo developer, this means saving a great deal of time and effort. You don't need to model every character or design every environment. You can focus on assembling and customizing assets to create a published final product. And now, if you're wondering how to learn all of this, you're in luck. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started, no matter your experience level. First thing is Unreal Engine documentation. The official Unreal Engine documentation is a fantastic resource. It offers detailed guides and tutorials for developers at all levels. Whether you're just starting out or need to learn more advanced techniques, the documentation is incredibly well organized. Second thing is YouTube tutorials. For free, quick tutorials, YouTube is an excellent resource. There are many experienced developers who share their knowledge through step-by-step videos on everything from basic Unreal Engine workflows to advanced game mechanics. If you prefer learning through YouTube videos, this is a great place to start. My YouTube channel has a lot of free contents where you can start on Unreal Engine and develop your own games. Subscribe for more upcoming videos. And the third most important one is Udemy courses. If you're looking for more structured learning, Udemy offers many courses tailored to Unreal Engine and game development. These courses are generally affordable and provide a systematic approach to learning. You can find both beginner and advanced courses, allowing you to progress at your own pace. Well, my Udemy courses are specifically designed to create shooter games. So you can find my courses down there and start creating your own shooter game right now and learn how to publish them in Epic Games Store. And now let's talk about the critical part, how to earn money from your game. Well, here are a few strategies that worked for me. The first one is leverage free assets. As mentioned earlier, Epic Games offer a large number of free assets. When you're just starting out, using these free resources can significantly reduce development time and cost, allowing you to focus on refining the core gameplay and user experience. 2. Monetizing strategies. Consider how you want to monetize your game. Will it be a one-time purchase, or will you offer the game for free and rely on in-game purchases or downloadable contents to generate revenue? For Deadly Domain, I implemented both options. Player could purchase the game and also have the opportunity to buy additional in-game contents. 3. Post-release updates and support. Keep your game alive by releasing regular updates, patches, and new contents. This not only keeps player engaged but can also create additional opportunities for monetization, especially if you're adding new purchasable features or downloadable contents. 4. Marketing and community engagement. Don't ever underestimate the importance of building an audience. Share your development progress on social media, create a website or blog for your game, and interact with your potential player base. Early engagement with your audience can lead to valuable feedback and a more successful launch. In conclusion, indie game development can be a highly rewarding venture, both creatively and financially. My journey with Deadly Domain is a proof that it's possible to achieve success even as a solo developer, by leveraging the tools and resources provided by Epic Games, using free and paid assets, and learning from a wealth of educational contents available. You can bring your game to life and earn a significant income from your hard work. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was exciting. So now you know how you can develop your own game using Unreal Engine 5 and publish your game in Epic Games Store to earn money as game developer. Well, if you're still confused where to start or where to learn Unreal Engine 5, you can subscribe to my channel because I have a series of videos that you can learn how to develop a multiplayer game using Unreal Engine and visual scripting. And you can find my Udemy courses down there as well that will take you from the beginning to developing a complete game and publishing that in Epic Games Store to start earning today. So let's go.